No gold is not in her. She's a diamond.
Hello everyone, my name is Professor Boogie, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rid of the unusable gigabyte RAM. I've had a problem with this in the past, and I just figured out how to fix it, and I fixed it on my laptop. I haven't fixed it on here yet, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix it. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to go to your start menu, and you want to go to your settings, right? Go to system and about. You'll see this. I have 12 gigabyte of RAM and 7.99 gigabyte unusable. Now that is unusable. It does not working. So out of your 12, you have 7.99 unusable. You can get rid of that, and there is a way to get rid of that, so you can use all 12. Now, what first you want to do is you want to go over to your start menu right here. You want to right click it, click run. Now after you click run, you want to type in msconfig, all lowercase. Once you do that, click OK. Now once you get to the system configuration tab, you want to go to the boot. Click on your Windows 10, which is the top one that you have. Click advanced, and then you want to click uncheck maximum memory. You want to uncheck that. After you've unchecked it, you want to click OK. I'm clicking cancel because I'm not doing that just yet on this. So after that's done, you want to click OK, or you want to click apply and then OK. I'm clicking cancel for that. After that is done, you want to go to your start menu and you want to restart it. I'm not going to be restarting my computer because I'm not doing anything. So after that is done, you want to go back into settings. After you've restarted your computer, go to system. You want to scroll all the way down, go to about, scroll down to system protection. Click that right there. After you click that, click advanced. Once you've seen this, you see performance, user profiles, and setup and recovery. You want to click performance, click settings. After this shows up, you want to click advanced. After that's done, you'll see this virtual memory, a paging file and area on hard drive disk that allows users if and where RAM. Total paging files, all drives, 0 megabytes. Yours is probably going to say an amount, a number. Mine does not. You want to click change. Now you want to click through all of these. Mostly it's your top one that has it. So after you do that, this one's going to be checked. Mine is unchecked. But this is what happens if it's checked. You won't be able to click or access any of these. You want to uncheck that. You want to click on your memory. You want to click no paging file. You want to click set. It's going to show up to this. It's going to show this right here. You might not record details, and you're going to click yes. I'm going to cancel everything because I don't need to. You want to click set for each and every drive that you have. After that is done, you want to click OK. And once you click OK, it'll pop up with you need to restart your computer to be able to make these changes. You want to click restart. After you click restart, you should be fine to go back into your page. Go to settings and go to system. Go down to about, and that 7.99 or how much you have unusable, that should be 100% gone. I will be doing this after I'm done recording. I just wanted to show you guys. So I hope this video helped anyone in need that needed this help to get rid of their unusable gigabyte of RAM. So my name is Professor Boogie, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.